secondary level presentation site for the technical challenge Breaking Point. Each team here today has worked hard for the past several months to prepare for this tournament. We ask that you cooperate with team members as they present their solution to this challenge, and please avoid any activity that might be disruptive. Please turn off any personal electronic devices such as cell phones or Bluetooth devices that may interfere with the team's presentation. In this challenge, teams were asked to bring up to 20 stack items to assemble into a stack that shows off the risk-taking in the stack design. This stack assembly will be completed by the assembly equipment to create a stack of any configuration within the assembly zone. Once the team has signaled to the appraisers that they have completed their stack assembly, the team will use their destruction equipment during stack destruction to destroy the stack. Ooh. Team, please demonstrate the signal you will use to indicate that your team has finished stack assembly and is ready for stack destruction.
And now for the best part.
Okay, all right. Teams will earn points based on where the stack items come to rest within the target zones. As a part of this presentation, the story will follow at least one character who lacks something important. Keep your eyes peeled for a wishful scene that expresses this intense desire. But beware, there will also be a frustration point in the story where it seems the character has no way of gaining that important thing. Will they reach their breaking point? Teams were also asked to include 2 team choice elements that show off their interests, skills, and talents. Now, I am pleased to present Safish from Canada! The team manager is Scotty! The team has given permission for video or filming, but has not given permission for flashing, okay? So no, that's not good. And the team wants you to explode at the end. Have fun, all right? Okay. Audience, this is your big moment. Audience, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Let's get radioactive.
Safish, are you ready?
Safish!
Team, you may begin.
Hello everyone, I'm Milo Vance and welcome to Safe or Sorry, the competition where 2 contestants face off for a prize of 2 billion Bitcoin. I have 2 contestants here to face off for the finale of our 13th season. My first contestant is Chadlyn Smith.
It's Dr. Chadlyn Smith.
Okay, and our next contestant is the esteemed inventor, Mr. Bryce Must. So, Chadlyn, how are you feeling? And what will you do with the money if you win?
Well, thank you so much for asking, Milo. If I win this competition, I'm planning to use this money to fund my STEM research center for underprivileged women in Uganda. You know, as a female inventor, it is so hard to get grants or respect.
Okay, so Mr. Bryce, how are you feeling? And what will you do with the money when you win?
Of course, Milo, so I am actually feeling great at the moment. From my infance, I've dreamed of becoming an inventor, and today I finally get the chance to prove myself. When I win this massive sum of Bitcoin, I am going to buy myself a Cybertruck and also pay off just a couple years of rent I've been delaying.
That's great. So your machine, how does it work?
Of course, Yvonne!
It's Evan, actually. So, we'll take these balls here, and with our vacuum, we'll load them into this tube here. Now, once they're in that tube, We knock it over, and it flips to the other side and stands up perfectly upright without moving.
So how does it stay stable?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Milo. Here at Bryce Industries, we've put just a teensy bit of uranium into those balls so that it self-stabilizes. You know, for science.
Last time I checked, teensy and uranium really should not be used in the same sentence. I mean, radiation's like glitter. Once you let it out and you're around it long enough, next thing you know, you have a glowing pancreas. So, how have you kept us safe?
Of course. What we've done is we have wrapped the balls in a patented blend of lead and asbestos to keep the radiation inside the balls. The only problem is they are incredibly dangerous to handle unprotected.
Okay, well then, I guess we'll see a demonstration.
Sir,
What is it?
she took 2 of the balls.
Oh my god. This is outrageous!
What a scene here, folks. It appears that Chadlin,
Dr. Chadlin.
you do realize that sabotage is a direct violation of this game show's rules, right?
What? No one told me that.
It's written in bold print on the first page of the contract that you signed.
Well, no one reads those.
Now for the actual demonstration.
Eugene!
So first, we'll start by turning on the vacuum. Then we flick this switch here. We'll start drawing the balls out.
In the meantime, a word from our sponsors. Hay bales. They're just great. They're so compact and versatile. We'll come to your house, cut your grass, compact it, and then feed it to some cows. And we'll do this without you even asking. Hay bales, you can't stop us.
Jay! Oh, this thing's so slow.
Wait, update. So about those 2 billion Bitcoin, they're now worth less than a cent each, so you're probably gonna be taking home around $2. Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh man. I bet it'll go right back up.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I can't wait for you to win.
Guys, the balls. Oh, it's impossible to find a good assistant around here.
I
It really
know,
is.
this is just such a...
Can I say something? You two clearly know each other.
No.
I think this whole show is rigged.
I have never seen this man before in my life. He is just a really great person. Editors, please cut that out. You know, we don't want this posting. No.
Of course, and now it is ready, so they will be bringing it off. Yeah, this guy's, he's sleeping in the barn tonight, let me tell you. And, didn't even pick this up. Disgraceful. Well, now for the best part.
So now, using this hammer, we'll knock it over and it'll land perfectly upright on the other side.
Wait, guys, you have not closed the tube.
Oh, come on. Really? Oh.
Seems like your invention isn't so great.
Just give us a second. Okay. Come on, back on.
Alright,
You win.
It's Evan. Now, using this hammer, we'll knock it over and it'll land upright on the other side.
Once again, come on.
Takes a couple tries.
Wow.
Wow,
There you go.
that was cool. That was really cool. You know what? That was the coolest thing I've seen in the 13 seasons of this show. You know what? We don't even need to see the other invention.
But it's the cure for cancer.
Now for the rating. So, your machine is kind of genius, but also kind of dangerous, like a tiger fed on vegan snacks.
So, safe, I presume.
More like safe-ish. Like if you were on fire and someone handed you a damp towel, that would be safe-ish. So, here we have it, folks. The winner of our 13th season, Mr. Bryce Must.
I hope as well.
No, you can stop talking. So, folks, I only booked 8 minutes on air because, you know, this show's getting its funds cut. So, I think, team, this will be our time.
Woohoo! That's